How to apply Pavonia's Myoxy Caviar Timeless Repair Serum. Pump 5 drops of serum into the palm of your hand. Warm the serum slightly between your palms. Apply all over your cleansed face, neck, and décolleté. Massage gently until it is absorbed. Use in the evening. Did you know this intensive serum has the highest concentration of Escutox and Myoxy Caviar extracts? Escutox increases the plumpness within the wrinkles to expedite the absorbency of all the actives within the formula for dramatic anti-wrinkle results. Experience the age-reversing potency of Pavonia's award-winning Myoxy Caviar skincare line.